Looking for ultra-premium optics that push performance to the max? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 most expensive riflescopes, available featuring top-of-the-line glass, precision engineering, and luxury-grade features built for serious shooters and professionals. Whether you want unrivaled clarity or next-level accuracy, these high-end scopes deliver. Let's dive into the best of the best. Number 5. Nightforce ATACR 7-35x56 F1 is an elite long-range riflescope built for shooters and professionals who demand absolute precision, clarity, and reliability at extreme distances, making it one of the most capable optics in the world of precision shooting. Designed with a massive 7-35x magnification range, this scope gives shooters the ability to engage both mid-range and ultra-long-range targets with confidence, while the large 56mm objective lens ensures exceptional light transmission and brightness in all conditions. Featuring ED glass and fully multi-coated lenses, the ATACR delivers outstanding image clarity, color contrast, and edge-to-edge resolution, giving shooters an unobstructed and razor-sharp view of their target. Its first focal plane, reticle, allows accurate holdovers, wind calls, and ranging at any magnification, making it a powerful tool for precision shooters, competitors, and tactical operators alike. The scope is built on a robust 34mm tube, offering a vast range of elevation and windage adjustments, along with Nightforce's highly reliable zero-stop system, which allows shooters to quickly return to their original zero without guesswork. Ruggedness is at the core of the ATACR's design, crafted from aircraft-grade aluminum. It is shockproof, waterproof, and fog-proof, built to endure the harshest environments and recoil from the most powerful calibers. Its illuminated reticle provides clarity in low-light conditions, while the wide field of view at lower magnifications makes target acquisition faster and easier. Trusted by military, law enforcement, and top-tier competitors, the Nightforce ATACR 7-35x56 F1 is the ultimate optic for pushing the limits of precision shooting. Number 4. Sightmark Wraith HD 4-32x50 Digital Riflescope is a cutting-edge optic designed to give hunters and shooters an unparalleled advantage with the versatility of both day and night use, delivering high-definition clarity and precision across a wide range of conditions. Featuring a powerful 4-32x magnification and a 50mm objective lens, this riflescope provides crystal-clear imaging with impressive light-gathering ability, while its digital display delivers full-color clarity during the day and crisp black and white or green imaging at night. Equipped with a 1920 Zeiss 1080 HD sensor, the Wraith HD ensures sharp, detailed visuals, making target identification effortless, even in complete darkness. It comes with multiple reticle options and color choices, allowing shooters to customize their sight picture for different scenarios, while the built-in HD video recording capability lets users capture every shot and hunt in stunning detail. The Wraith HD also includes an IR illuminator that extends detection range out to 200 yards at night, giving hunters the confidence to engage targets in total darkness. Ruggedly built with a durable housing, this digital scope is shockproof and weather-resistant, ensuring reliability in demanding outdoor environments. User-friendly controls make operations simple, and the scope runs on common AA batteries for convenience in the field. Whether you're hunting predators after dark, tracking game at dusk, or practicing at the range during the day, the Sightmark Wraith HD 4-32x50 digital riflescope delivers unmatched versatility, crystal-clear optics, and advanced digital technology, making it one of the most feature-packed and affordable digital scopes available today. Number 3. Pulsar DIGEX Digital Night Vision Riflescope is a state-of-the-art optic that seamlessly combines classic riflescope design with advanced digital night vision technology, making it an ideal choice for hunters and shooters who need versatility, precision, and reliability around the clock. Designed with a traditional riflescope form factor, the DIGEX mounts easily with standard 30mm rings, giving it a sleek, familiar look while packing in cutting-edge features. Its powerful 1280 AUG 720 HD digital sensor delivers crystal-clear imaging, providing sharp, detailed visuals both day and night, while multiple color palettes and viewing modes, such as full color for daytime use and black and white or green for night, ensure optimal clarity in any lighting condition. With a detection range of up to 500 meters in complete darkness when paired with its included IR illuminator, the DIGEX gives hunters confidence to spot and engage targets far beyond typical night vision ranges. The Riflescope features multiple reticle options and ballistic functions for precise shot placement, while its digital zoom enhances accuracy without sacrificing image quality. Another highlight is its built-in video and audio recording with recoil-activated capture, allowing users to relive and share their hunting experiences in full HD. Rugged and weather-resistant with an IPX7 waterproof rating, the DIGEX is built to perform in harsh environments and extreme conditions. Powered by a dual battery system with one internal and one removable battery, it ensures long-lasting performance in the field. Whether used for predator hunting at night or target shooting by day, the Pulsar DIGEX delivers unmatched functionality, clarity, and dependability in a modern night vision riflescope. Number 2. Zeiss Victory V8 4.8 3560 Riflescope is the pinnacle of precision optics, engineered for long-range hunters and shooters who demand the very best in clarity, performance, and versatility, making it one of the most advanced scopes in the world. With its unmatched 4.8 to 35x magnification range and massive 60mm objective lens, the Victory V8 delivers extraordinary light transmission and razor-sharp clarity, ensuring bright, high-contrast images even in the most challenging low-light conditions at dawn or dusk. Zeiss's renowned T6-layer lens coatings and fluoride glass elements provide outstanding color fidelity, minimal chromatic aberration, and edge-to-edge sharpness, while the large field of view makes target acquisition fast and precise, even at high magnification. The illuminated reticle, powered by Zeiss's advanced fiber optic system, offers ultra-fine illumination with automatic brightness adjustment, ensuring a precise aiming point in any lighting condition. Designed with long-range shooting in mind, the Victory V8 offers an impressive adjustment range for both elevation and windage, enabling accurate shots at extreme distances with absolute confidence. Its ergonomic design includes the ASV long-range, bullet drop compensation, turret system, allowing for rapid and precise ballistic corrections on the fly. Crafted from robust, aircraft-grade materials, the scope is fully waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, guaranteeing dependable performance in the harshest environments. Despite its power, it maintains a sleek and balanced design, pairing perfectly with high-performance rifles. Backed by Zeiss's legendary reputation and premium warranty, the Victory V8 4.8 35x60 is more than just a scope. It's the ultimate tool for pushing the limits of precision shooting and long-range hunting success. Number 1. Leupold Mark 8 is a professional-grade optic built for shooters, military, and law enforcement professionals who require absolute precision, rugged reliability, and unmatched performance in the most demanding conditions. Designed with cutting-edge optical engineering, the Mark 8 delivers superior light transmission, edge-to-edge clarity, and exceptional resolution, ensuring a crystal-clear image even in low-light environments, where every detail matters. Its versatile magnification range, combined with a first focal plane reticle, allows shooters to make accurate holdovers, range estimations, and ballistic corrections at any power setting, making it ideal for tactical operations and extreme long-range engagements. Precision-engineered windage and elevation turrets feature tactile, audible clicks for exact adjustments, while Leupold's zero-lock system prevents accidental movement and guarantees a rapid return to zero. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, the Mark 8 is 100% waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof, tested to withstand brutal recoil and harsh environments without sacrificing performance. The illuminated reticle with adjustable brightness settings ensures fast target acquisition in daylight, dusk, or complete darkness, giving operators a true all-condition advantage. Its extended eye relief and wide field of view provide enhanced situational awareness, critical in fast-moving tactical scenarios. Despite its professional-level capabilities, the Mark VIII maintains a streamlined, durable design that reduces weight while maximizing strength, making it suitable for both field use and precision rifle competitions. Backed by Leupold's legendary lifetime guarantee, the Mark VIII Riflescope is more than an optic. It's a mission-ready tool trusted by elite professionals for accuracy, durability, and consistent performance when every shot counts. That's our list of the 5 most expensive rifle scopes on the market. If you enjoyed this Elite Gear Roundup, smash that like button and hit subscribe for more high-end reviews. Drop your dream scope in the comments and join our shooting community. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.